Hello horse enthusiasts, welcome to Ravenfire Ranch channel. Today we will be painting Sweetie's hooves. We're using a pine tar based hoof topper. Pine tar helps retain moisture in the hoof, making it more elastic and flexible, and moisture retention, and it also has antibiotic properties. If you'll notice, we go all the way up to the coronary band, that is like the hoof cuticle. It is essential to apply it there as well if you want to promote growth in the hoof. Constant hoof care is essential. Apply the protector as needed based on your horse's activity level and environmental conditions. Remember, a well-protected hoof contributes to overall equine health. Also, remember safety first. Always be aware of your surrounding when you're dealing with horses and their feet, as you don't want to get hurt. As you see, we apply directly to the top of the hoof and go down. It always helps to make sure your hoof is clean and dry before applying your top coating. There's the back feet, and always be careful. Let the horse know you're there first, and then get back to what you're doing. Remember, a well-protected hoof contributes to overall equine health. Remember also, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more horse care tips. Until next time, happy riding!